Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show my CS50 final project. It is an online photo editor. I have named it God's Online Filter. Let's first register ourselves in it. Now I am providing here my username, password and again password to confirm. Let's trying first putting wrong passwords. In password again tab. If I will click register, it will show an error message that passwords must match. Let's now trying putting again the same passwords in both the tabs. Now this time I'm putting the same passwords again. This time I will successfully registered. Yes, the message is shown you are successfully registered. Let's choose an image. The image would be shown on the canvas. Now we can apply any effect or filter here like brightness, contrast, saturation, vibrance. Let's try using vintage effect. You can show, you can see it is changed. Now nostalgia effect. It's changed. Now click on download to download the image. Let's open it. It is successfully edited. We can also change the password by clicking on change your password here. Now add your old password here and new password and again confirm new password. Press enter. The message is showing password change successfully. Let's try logging out and again trying logging in with the new password. This was my project. Thank you to all teachers. This was CS50.